So Minecraft has an official Minecraft cookbook, and if you didn't know, I played a little Minecraft back in my day on my gaming channel. So I've had this book for over a year and I haven't made one single recipe, and I thought since the Minecraft movie just released, let's give it a go. So the way that they theme the book is really cute. They have the difficulty level and all of the fun Minecraft fonts and items. I love when game recipes just come to life and you can just taste someone's iteration of it. They have recipes like inventory bread, smelted nuggets, warped forest flatbread pizza, suspicious stew, and they even have the cake. Some of these recipes are pretty simple and others I will probably never make in my lifetime. But let's make some yummy Minecraft foods and see what's on our menu for today. First on the menu is Hoglins and lava. For ingredients, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 frozen pastry puff sheet, 24 mini cocktail sausages, 1 egg, a tablespoon of water, and poppy seeds. And for the lava dip, we'll need 1 cup cayenne pepper hot sauce, half a cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half a teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon water. Difficulty level for this recipe is easy, so let's get started. I'm gonna preheat the old furnace to 425 with flint and steel. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle our flour on our surface. All right, so my puff pastry has already been thawing. Next we get our pizza roller and we're gonna cut it out into 24 even rectangles. So now we just gotta roll these little hoglins up in their little blankies. Keep them nice and warm. Oh, look, they're little hoglins. Okay. Nice in a little blankie. I think I just put them on here, just like that. Okay, we decided the blankets were too big. We cut them. That could be a double one. Oh wow, double whammy. They're gonna have a little slit. Yeah. They have a little slit in their blanket. It's for a different effect. Now that all our hoglins are cozy in their blankies, I'm gonna whisk my egg and then add the water, and then we're gonna brush them. Give them a little bath. Don't judge me. This is my food paint brush. Don't use it on paint. I can't find my silicone one, so this will do. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on them. Maybe if I just pour a little on. Oh, that was not a little. Oh, sir. I'm sorry. If I had the proper utensil, this could have been avoided. Then we get our poppy seeds. And it says to sprinkle them in a line on the top. I don't know what the point is to do it in a line. Like, I don't think that has like a Minecraft reference. Now we bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're gonna make our lava dip. I combine the hot sauce, butter, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, garlic, and paprika in a sauce over medium heat, whisking continuously until it starts to boil. Then we add the cornstarch and water, reduce heat to medium-low, cover and let simmer for 5 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Our hoglins are done! Some of them exploded out of their blankets, and you know, they took the sheets off at night because they got a little warm. It's time for the taste test. I'm a little nervous about the lava hot sauce. It seems very hot, but let's dive in. I feel like my weenie's gonna slip out. Gotta be mindful of the little hoglin. All right, here we go, first bite. Not too spicy, perfect amount of spice. A little bit of kick afterwards in the back of the throat. Like a tangy taste on my tongue. It's delicious. It's so tart too. And he's going for another one. I love it, especially with the crunch from the pastry. It's so good together. I love this combo of flavors going on. I approve. Time to eat these little hoglins. Next up on the menu is the chicken jockey sandwich. Chicken jockey.
Chicken jockey.
For ingredients, we need 4 slices of thick cut bacon, 1 boneless skinless chicken breast, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 slices of provolone cheese, 2 brioche buns, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pesto, 2 slices of tomato, and 2 pieces of lettuce. So first up, we cook our bacon. This is gonna be medium-high heat. We cook it for 3 minutes on each side. I like to use my lid as a shield. because I hate getting splash damage. Next, we're gonna cut our chicken in half and we're gonna pound it with a mallet. Okay, then we get our parchment paper and we're gonna pound it out. It's supposed to be 1/4 of an inch thick. Then we salt and pepper both sides. I'm just gonna, I know they had it measured out, but I feel like with cooking, you can get away with eyeballing things. It's the baking that you can't really mess with the measurements. But now we gotta cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We're gonna make sure that the internal temperature is 165. In it goes. Got all that bacon flavor in there. In you go. Oh, it's sizzling. I'm gonna put that lid back on too. Yoink. While that's cooking, I'm gonna prep and cut my tomato slices. I just cut it in the middle. I've never cut a tomato in my life. Normally I don't eat tomatoes, but I'm gonna eat one today. Okay, we're gonna flip our chicken. All right. Another 3 minutes.
You're cooking chicken.
I am cooking chicken. Okay, let's prep our bread because I love crushing loaf. Avocado mayonnaise. Bottom bun, mayonnaise it up. Okay, I'm gonna check to see if our chicken is fully cooked. Give it a nice little stab-a-rooney right there. 180, 169, 190. A little provolone cheese. Gonna let it melt for a little bit. All right, chicken is done. Cheese is melted. Let's place that on our bun. Whoa, so cheesy. We got pesto on top, light layer. Ooh, that looks so good. 2 slices of bacon, tomato, thick boy, and some lettuce. And then the bun. Now for the taste test, I just realized that this is just a BLT, chicken BLT with pesto. So nothing too crazy. Chicken's a little dry. Once you get more into the center of the sandwich, that's where all the flavors are. I really like the addition of the pesto though, because it's like color of a zombie and it actually really adds a yummy flavor to the sandwich. And surprisingly, I like the tomato. I love the provolone. I love me some cheese. The brioche bun is just such a great loaf. It's good. It's well-rounded. It's a well-rounded chicken jockey sandwich. Next up on our menu is the Creeper Cleanse. A green drink sounds great right about now. Give me some vegetables. For ingredients, it's 1 cup of coconut water, 1 juice of a lemon, 1 cup packed spinach, 1 green apple, 1 celery stalk, 1 small clove of ginger. I'll be using ginger powder as a substitute, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 5 ice cubes. Now this one's really simple because we're just placing everything in our blender, just giving it a nice little chop before just throw everything in there. You know, some of the best recipes I've ever had, something quick, easy, and simple. I'm just gonna eyeball the honey here. Tablespoon. Time to take this blender over to my bar because my son's room is right above here and I don't want to wake him up from his nap. So come on, let's go. Welcome to my bar. A place where we wander. Okay, let's mix it up. we're good. Time to strain it. Then we're gonna strain through a sieve or a Steve. I'm sorry, I apologize in advance. It smells good. It smells green. Make sure to get all those juices out. It actually sizzles like a creeper when it's about to explode on you.
Ready.
You did, right? Yeah, what's behind me? A creeper. Oh man. And then we pour it in our super cute glass. Wow. I was gonna say, if that was the, am I gonna fill it to the top? Oh, look at that. Bottoms up, creeper. That's refreshing. It's a green juice, but it doesn't taste too much like a green juice because the apples and the honey really bring out the sweetness. That's very tasty. I like it. I actually might make this on a regular basis because spinach and celery, ginger, it's all good stuff. For dessert, we're making a block of clay fudge. For ingredients, it's 4 cups of cream-filled sandwich cookies, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 18 ounces of white chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm hoping I got a big enough bag for the cream-filled cookies. You must not say its name. 1 cup. I think we're doing the whole bag. Okay, we're supposed to blend this into a fine crumb. So again, come with me to the bar. All right, let's turn it on. Now we want the remainder to just be pulsed, not so crummy. I got him. Okay, back to the kitchen. Now we're gonna get a medium saucepan and we're going to combine the condensed milk with the salt. Okay, so we wanna get it to simmer. All right, it looks like we got our simmer going. So then I'm gonna reduce the heat. I don't know about you guys, but that seems like a lot of chocolate chips. And we're gonna put vanilla extract on top. And we're gonna stir it until it just starts to melt, which it's already doing. That's so satisfying. And now for the cookie crumbs. Ooh, oh, we got a full cookie.
Give it a minute.
No. We're gonna mix it in. You won't know if you get it. It's a surprise. This is a lot to stir in. Let me just get it all in there. I think that's pretty well combined. A little more dense in some areas, but cookies are gonna sink when it dries. All right, so now we add it to our 8x8 square pan that's lined with parchment paper. And then we let it chill in the fridge for 2 hours. Ooh, I see a little good piece right there. The best part of the cream-filled cookie. Cream-filled. Okay, let's let it chill. All right, so it's chilled. Let's see if we can cut it. Okay, let's lift it up. There it is. Gotta use my muscles. Let's see how it looks. That's very dense. It's so dense. I mean, it's literally just condensed milk and Oreos, really. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh my God. This is dangerously good. It literally tastes just like an Oreo fudge bar. He approves. Leo approves, everyone. I don't think I could eat a lot of it. I should probably cut them into even smaller cubes in this because it's very sweet, but so good. Dangerously good. Well, I hope you all liked the recipes that we tried today. If you want to check out more of my cookbook club series, make sure to click on this video right here and let me know in the comments which cookbook you want me to make some recipes from next. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.